Your brain is not tired. It's overstimulated. You don't lack ambition. You lack control. Right now, your mind is being hijacked every single day by notifications, by short videos, by junk food, by late nights, by easy pleasure that costs you your future, and you call it relaxing. But deep down, you know the truth. You can't focus. You can't sit still. You start things and never finish them. You feel motivated for 5 minutes, then distracted for 5 hours. That's not laziness. That's dopamine addiction. Every time you reach for quick pleasure, you train your brain to avoid effort. You lower your tolerance for discomfort. You make hard work feel unbearable. And then you wonder why you feel weak. If you want iron discipline, you need a dopamine reset. Not tomorrow, now.
Rule 1. Cut morning stimulation. No phone for the first hour. No scrolling. No cheap hits of validation. Win the morning in silence. Rule 2. Remove one major distraction completely. Delete the app. Unfollow the triggers. Create friction between you and your addiction. If it's easy to access, it's easy to abuse. Rule 3. Train your body daily. Hard workouts reset your dopamine system. They teach your brain that effort equals reward. Sweat becomes your new high. Rule 4. Embrace boredom. Sit in silence. Go for a walk without music. Let your mind feel restless. Boredom is not the enemy. It is the doorway to focus. Rule 5. Delay gratification on purpose. Wait before you eat. Wait before you check your phone. Wait before you react. You are building control over impulse. That control becomes discipline.
Rule 6. Focus on one task at a time. No multitasking. No switching tabs. One task, one mission. Finish what you start. Rule 7. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Late nights destroy your dopamine balance. Protect your sleep like your future depends on it, because it does. This is not about becoming a monk. It's about becoming dangerous. Right now, you are too comfortable, too entertained, too distracted to build anything meaningful. Iron discipline is built in discomfort, in silence, in the moments when your brain screams for stimulation and you say no. That no is power. At first, it will feel empty. You will feel restless, agitated, bored. Good. That means your brain is healing. That means you are breaking chains. But here's the part most people ignore. A dopamine detox is not a weekend challenge. It is an identity shift. You stop seeing yourself as a consumer. You start seeing yourself as a builder. Every day you resist impulse, you vote for a stronger version of yourself. Every day you choose effort over comfort, your identity changes. You don't become disciplined overnight. You become disciplined when you prove to yourself daily that you are in control. So here is your decision. When this ends, will you open another app or will you sit in silence for 10 minutes? Will you keep feeding your addiction or will you start building iron discipline? Your brain is either being programmed by distraction or trained by you. Choose who's in control and start today.